Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I'll be starting out the eye look, priming my eyes with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Tan, and I'm just going to blend that out with a blending brush and diffusing it well. And then after that I go ahead with the Take Me to Brazil palette with this blue shade here, and I'm just going to blend in the crease area using the Morphe M506 brush. And I'm just going to go in a circular motion from the inner crease area to the outer crease, doing a circle motion. And then after that I'll go ahead with this pink shade here, and I'm using the Morphe E17 brush, and I'm just blending the above the crease where I applied the blue eyeshadow. So I'm just diffusing the two colors together just to get that perfect blend. And then after that I'm just going to go in with the same palette with this darker blue shade, and I'm just going to apply it in the lower crease area using this Morphe M139 tapered blending brush. Then after I do that, I'm just going to blend all three colors together just to get the perfect blend. I'm just going to use the grease method to clean the area before I apply the concealer. So I'm just outlining where I want the concealer, the crease to cut, and I'm just going to wipe that off with using a makeup wipe. And then I'm going to proceed to applying the concealer, and I'm using the same Maybelline concealer that I applied over the eye area before I applied the eyeshadow. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to apply the same eyeshadows that I applied on the crease area in the inner crease and the outer crease. So I'm using that dark blue shade that I applied last. So I'm just applying that on the outer area and the inner area, and then I'm applying the light blue shade that I used first, and I'm just blending the both blue eyeshadows together to get that perfect blend. And then I'm just going to apply the pink eyeshadow just above the blue there, just a little, and I'm just going to blend everything together after that. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. And then I'm going to use this light pink eyeshadow just to apply in the middle of all the colors that I applied before that. So I'm just going to blend them together, and then I'm just going to go back with that pink that I used before to blend it together, because as you can see, the pink was kind of disappearing a bit, so I had to apply a little bit more. And I'm just applying this silver glitter glitter eyeliner above that, just to give it a little definition, just to brighten up the eyeshadow look just a little bit more.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.